car problems. There is nowhere for me to mount this thing. You know why? Because my windshield is so close to the steering wheel. Okay, can't do that. Let's see if I can put you over here. Can't do that either. Even if I tried over here, guess what? So stupid. Okay. Hashtag small car problems. Okay. So I have been going, and y'all crooked. Okay. So I have been going back and forth about doing Vlogmas for a little bit now. And I just finally decided that I'm just going to go ahead and do it because I want to live in the moment. I want to capture these moments. Even though technically it's December 2nd, I'm still going to jump in. I'm going to do this. I'm going to post. I can't do daily because I work full time, but I'm going to post on my off days. So let's just count this as Vlogmas Day 1, even though it is December 2nd. Never mind, I forgot a day, but I'm gonna do this. So yeah, I've been wanting to do Vlogmas ever since I saw my very first Vlogmas in January 2018. I was watching the Vlogmas from the previous year. It was from December 2017. So ever since then, I've been saying I want to do Vlogmas. So here it is. I finally have the opportunity. I'm gonna do it because I have the equipment. I have everything I need in order to get this done. So stay tuned. Okay, so I actually literally just decided I was going to do Vlogmas maybe about 10-15 minutes ago. It's 12:45. It didn't really miss much. Only thing I did today was drop my son off at school. I have to run into work because I was called in to complete my charting. It happens sometimes. You don't necessarily finish all your work on the same day. So I just got done doing that not too long ago. I'll say a half hour ago I finished doing that. And now I'm sitting up at this place called South Mountain. It's a hiking trail. So I'm gonna flip my camera around so y'all can see the view. This is it so far. I haven't drove up into the parking lot just yet. I'm just here chilling, trying to get my camera situation together. And I was also supposed to meet up with my mom to take her somewhere, but she ended up leaving before I had a chance to even get to her because I was at work, completing my charting, and she didn't want to be late. So it's understandable, even though we could have made it. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and I just wanted to come here and just chill out and see the view real fast before I go back home. And yes, I am tired, if you haven't noticed. I'm gonna tell you why I'm tired. Because I weaned myself off of coffee. That's one thing. Second thing, I'm drinking tea now. Tea has caffeine, but it doesn't have as much caffeine. So now I'm operating on 20 to 30% less caffeine than usual. I'm very drowsy. It's okay, because my goal is to be completely off of caffeine. And this is gonna be a journey. And if you want to see the journey, you're more than welcome to follow along with me. But it's not for the weak. I'll tell you that. It's not for the weak. You a real one if you know that song. But if you don't, it's okay. We still love you. I'm gonna be hiking up that bad boy. Go sit my little butt up there. Okay. See what I mean? Small car. So I didn't even intend on coming here today. But since I'm here, my intention is to climb up this mountain real fast, take a good look at this view, and relax. And I'm gonna head home and get some rest because I gotta go back to work tomorrow. It's 79 degrees right now. And no, I don't have on the correct shoes.
Dump in the jump. Up top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I fit it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive angry black man with a passion. Steady grip while I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Jotting line with the loose leaf, then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth when you're bed with the writing. Love at first sight, art over hype. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, couldn't kick it. I'm in love with the fine print.
Finally made it to the top. Just to be clear, I made it to the top of this mountain. If you keep going the trail, you're gonna hit 3 more mountain humps. Alright, so we made it back home. All I'm about to do is change my shoes, basically. Yeah, we made it back home. I'm just gonna go ahead and change my shoes and then head back downstairs so I can make our lunches for tomorrow because I have to work. So I have to make his lunch, make my lunch, and then I have to make his dinner for tomorrow. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get y'all set up straight. Okay. Okay. Y'all sitting in my closet right now. So I gotta get that done, and then we're gonna do his homework. And after we're done with his homework, I'm going to bed because I'm tired, and I gotta work tomorrow. And I gotta get this video up since I'm doing Vlogmas now. So yeah, I just added one extra thing to do. Alright, didn't I just say I was going to change my shoes? That was a whole lie. So, it's funny how that worked. My bad. I don't know about you, but before I cook anything, I gotta clean the kitchen, honey. I gotta clean the kitchen. Comment down below. Like, what do you do? Do you just go straight in the kitchen and start cooking, or do you clean up first? I think I got that from my mom. But anyway. monkey.
M-O-N-K-E-Y.
Myself.
M-Y-S-E-L-F.
Noise.
N-O-I-S-E.
Pencil.
P-E-N-C-I-L.
Pie.
P-I-E.
Pull.
P-U-L-L.
Sew.
S-E.
I sew my clothes back together.
I meant you sew it with a sew.
A needle and thread.
And then sew it back together. S-E-W.
Are you cheating? Are you looking at the paper?
Yeah, because
Try!
you bring it down.
Where's your integrity?
You bring it down.
Spell monkey.
But what?
Spell monkey.
But
No. No. Where's your integrity? Integrity is doing the right thing even when no one's looking. You were looking at the list the whole time. You had no integrity. So, let's have integrity. Spell monkey.
M-O-N-K-E-Y.
Myself.
M-Y. Oh, that's really nice.
Night.
Oh.
Good morning. Alright, y'all, so he's in bed. I am actually in the middle of editing this Vlogmas right now. Ooh, I'm so excited. I finally get to do Vlogmas. Let's see. It's 8:55. My bedtime is 8:30. So I need to work my magic and get this Vlogmas out and edited and uploaded to YouTube within a half hour at least. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.